rushes all the time, playing I'm just ignore. I don't pretend that this is all he's doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Those little heads so soft and downy, their baby paws all golden browny, the beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little ducklings walk around in a line. I'll do what any other mother would to try to do my best to bring it online. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my best to couch in style.
Morning, Ida.
Morning, Maureen.
How's the mother-to-be?
She'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. I sometimes think I'd be better off pairing with a decoy.
Oh, I'm sure Joseph was a marvelous dad when the family arrived.
Not him. Deaf by name and deaf by nature. Definitely has responsibilities.
How much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes run by that self-satisfied stork, and she's about half a month, but 2 weeks up.
Oh well, best things come to those who wait.
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring's exactly the same.
But just think of the rewards. All those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed,
Waking you up at all hours.
getting into deep water,
And attracting unwanted admirers.
like the cat. Why